The red-bellied woodpecker is one of the most common woodpeckers in the Houston area. They can be found any time of the year. They are typically found in areas with large trees. They are about 9.5 inches long with a wingspan of about 15 inches. Male red-bellied woodpeckers have red extending from their beak all the way over their head. The red isn't as extensive as it is on the head of the red-headed woodpecker. Females have red just on the back of their head. Juveniles will have little to no red on their head. They are called red-bellied because they have a slight tint of red on their belly, which is not normally seen easily. Red-bellied woodpeckers eat insects, fruit, and even some small reptiles and amphibians. A red-bellied woodpecker can stick its tongue out about 2 inches past the end of its beak. The tip is barbed, and the bird's spit is sticky, making it easier to pull prey from deep crevices. At feeders, they eat suet, oil sunflower, peanuts, and striped sunflower. You may sometimes see red-bellied woodpeckers take large nuts and seeds and wedge them into bark crevices, then open it or break them into manageable pieces using their beaks. They also cache seeds and nuts in cracks in trees and fence posts to store food for later in the year. Watch for these beautiful birds at your feeders all year long.